Okay, here's how this works. This first group of beginner tutorials will help you become familiar with reading sheet music and matching up the written music notes to the proper keys on the piano. Take your time. Let the keyboard at the bottom of the video screen help you find your position on your own keyboard, and feel free to replay the video as many times as necessary. Okay, here's today's lesson. All right, great job. I'm Andrew, and thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more great easy piano tutorials for beginners.